If you're hourglass shaped, office dressing can absolutely feel frustrating because outfits that look professional on someone else often read as sexy on you. And honestly, that can leave you feeling uncomfortable or like nothing in your closet truly works for the office. That's why in this video, I'm fixing that by breaking down 5 of the biggest hourglass workwear mistakes and showing you exactly how to look professional, proportional, and put together. And a little bonus, I'll walk you through 15 hourglass-friendly work outfits for every office occasion. Tip number 1, dress for the day you're actually having. So have different levels of professionalism. You know, one of the biggest mistakes hourglass women make is dressing the same way every single day at work. So then you end up having the same vibe every day. But a regular work desk day versus a client meeting day and a presentation day are not the same thing. And honestly, when you ignore that, you either end up feeling overdressed at work or you're gonna feel underdressed and uncomfortable. And that's exactly when mornings get extra stressful. So here's the fix. Create 3 simple levels of outfits in your mind and build your closet around them. So level 1 is your desk day or work from home day. On these days, comfort really matters, but you still wanna look clean and you still wanna look polished. Level 2 is your meeting day. Here, you do need to look sharper and more structured because you're seen more. And level 3 is your high visibility day, like presentations, client meetings, interviews. You can also have executive meetings here. And here you really want maximum polish and attire that is very, very professional. Like let's say for our desk day, right? Or something where you're working from home. So level 1, think of clean pants, a knit top, and a structured piece like a cardigan. For the level 2, so meeting days, think of tailored pants, a blouse that doesn't really cling too much, maybe a blazer or a structured jacket. And for day 3, high visibility days, think of a full matching set, maybe a sharp blazer, or think of a dress that reads as professional instantly. Once you build these 3 levels of professionalism, getting dressed is easier because you're dressing for the day and not guessing for the day. Also, if we haven't met, I'm Karima. I am a former top model, and on this channel, I help you style your body with confidence. So if you learned something new in this video, please comment this emoji and consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my fashion videos. Ooh, girl, make sure to stay until the end because I have those 15 work outfits for you. Tip number 2, professional over sexy. Hourglass bodies have a specific struggle. So something can completely look normal on someone else, but on you, it suddenly looks a little bit tighter, a little bit sexier, or sometimes like you're doing too much, even if that is absolutely not your intention. Your body just has a little bit more curves. And then what happens is that you end up feeling overexposed, or you just start dressing in stiff, boxy pieces. And that's obviously gonna make you feel off. It's gonna make you feel uncomfortable because you're not truly shining here. So the problem, remember, the problem is not your body. It's that clothes aren't necessarily built for your proportions all the time. So here's the fix. You know, I got you. Start choosing professional structure first. And then once you have that base, add flattering details second. A good rule of thumb here is this. If the fabric clings to your stomach, to your hips, and chest all at the same time, it's probably going to read more body focused than office focused. So instead, go for fabric that skim and hold its shape. Think of thicker knits, think of structured cotton, think of suiting fabric, you know, something along those lines. And for your neckline, stay in the zone that's flattering but safe, like higher scoop, square neck that isn't low, boat neck, or even a modest V-neck like the one that I have here. And the easiest way to really keep it professional while still flattering is to define the waist in a controlled way. And that means light shaping, not squeezing. So instead of super tight tops, choose tops that fit properly at the shoulder and fall cleanly over the torso. So you're still gonna look like an hourglass, but now it's gonna read as more polished and more intentional. Tip number 3, choose one anchor piece. A common mistake is really trying to make every part of the outfit the moment. If you're wearing a bold top with bold pants and then you add a bold blazer, the whole outfit, the whole vibe just looks busy and less professional. And specifically on an hourglass body, when everything is fighting for attention, the look can start to feel too much very, very fast. So here's the fix. Just choose one anchor clothing item and let everything else be calm and very simple. And this clothing item that you're going to choose as your anchor will give the entire outfit personality, and it's still going to look work appropriate. So your anchor, it could be a blazer, it could be professional trousers, it could be a skirt. And here, I'm not talking about accessories as an anchor piece. We'll cover that later. So if your anchor is a colored blazer, keep the top and the pants neutral and sleek. If your anchor is patterned trousers, keep the top plain, structured, and fitted in the shoulders. If your anchor is, let's say, a statement skirt, keep everything else minimal so it looks intentional. And honestly, this is how you look stylish at work without looking too overdone. Now on to tip number 4, professional layering that shapes you. So another big mistake is wearing outfits with no layering, especially with an hourglass shape. Because very often without that top layer, the outfit can look unfinished, or it can highlight curves in a way that doesn't feel appropriate for the workplace. But again, just make sure that you don't run to the opposite way, because the opposite mistake here is wearing bulky layers that completely swallow your shape and make you look boxier than you are. So here's the fix. Use layering that gives you clean lines, especially around your shoulders and around your waist. And if you don't know where to start here, blazers are definitely the easiest route because they instantly make an outfit look way more polished, way more expensive, and absolutely professional. But the key, again, for an hourglass woman is to choose blazers that have structure in the shoulder area, and also that doesn't stop at the widest part of your hips. A blazer that hits slightly above the hip or slightly below usually looks more balanced than one that cuts right at the widest part of your hips. And if you're not really a blazer kind of girl, that's absolutely fine. You can go for a structured cardigan. You could also go for long vests or a light jacket with shape. Remember here, the goal is not to hide your shape. The goal is to make the silhouette look intentional and work ready. And that makes me think of something, because I got a very good comment asking how hourglass women can use accessories to make outfits work in a way that is not enhancing the figure too much, especially when you're trying to transition your wardrobe. So if that sounds like you, this next tip is especially for you. And thank you for your comment, by the way. Tip number 5, subtle accessories that elevate, not distract. You know, a lot of people think that accessories are where you show your personality. And yes, that is true, but at work, one of the biggest mistakes is going too bold with accessories. Because when you do that, you accidentally end up looking less professional. So think of big statement earrings, loud jewelry, flashy details. If you have those, your outfit will feel way more for the weekend than it does for the workplace. And unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on where you're going, this stands out more on curvier bodies. So here is the simple solution. Go subtle and clean. Think small earrings, simple studs, thin hoops, delicate necklace, a classic watch, maybe just simple rings. And for shoes, keep them polished and minimal, like sleek flats, loafers, clean boots, a simple heel. And for bags, go for structured bags because they always read as professional than if you go for a slouchy one. Remember that accessories on an hourglass body should look like the finishing touch, not the main moment. And that's what makes you look put together. It's gonna make you feel confident at work for sure. And now it is time for the 15 work outfits that respect all 5 styling tips. So you definitely don't want to miss this part. So this first outfit that you see on the screen is great for a chill hybrid day, like a work from home day, or maybe a desk day where not much is happening in terms of presentation, or office days with no big meetings. This look looks polished, but still feels relaxed and easy to wear. The wide leg trousers truly balance an hourglass shape very well, and the top skims without clinging, so it stays comfortable and also professional. So definitely perfect for everyday office or hybrid The next outfit here is great for a professional day, especially when you have meetings and you want to look sharp. This beautiful matching suit instantly raises the level of professionalism. So again, this look feels intentional and proportional. Next outfit. This outfit works really well for casual or creative office days. Even though it's denim, yes, the tailoring keeps it work appropriate. And I know that some offices don't allow denim, but if your office does, this will be a good way to wear denim and keep it professional. The jacket truly anchors the look, and the overall silhouette stays balanced and it stays polished on an hourglass body. This is really perfect for relaxed office days where you still want to look put together. This next outfit balances femininity and professionalism really well. The skirt comes in and it adds that interest, but the structured jacket keeps everything controlled. This outfit truly avoids looking sexy by focusing on clean lines and smart layering. This one is comfortable but elevated. So this is a great option for chill to medium office days. The pants balance the hips and the sweater really adds that softness without clinging to the skin too much. This outfit really does look professional while still feeling quite easy and wearable throughout the day. This outfit that you see now on the screen is a classic workwear formula that works especially well for hourglass shapes. The tailored trousers really anchor the outfit while the top stays simple and refined. As you can see, you have clean, minimal accessories to keep the look professional. Next outfit. This outfit is perfect for high visibility days like presentations, client meetings, or any executive settings. The structured jacket and matching skirt defines the waist, but it does it without hugging the body too much. It's very intentional and follows the rules of professional layering. Now, this next outfit is a great example of choosing professional over sexy. The structured trousers truly act as the anchor piece here, and the blouse, as you can see, it skims the body instead of clinging to the skin. It looks polished, it looks proportional. It's really ideal for meeting days for sure. Now, this next outfit is really great for chill desk days or hybrid work from home days. And the skirt underneath adds that structure while the knit layer keeps it comfortable without looking sloppy. This is a true example of dressing for the day you're actually having. This next outfit, it works super well for medium to high visibility days. So the wrap style top truly defines the waist in a controlled way, and the pleated skirt balances proportions beautifully. It reads as elegant, feminine, and professional. Definitely very office appropriate. This next look now balances structure and softness very well. The tailored trousers keep it professional, while the wrap style top defines the waist without clinging to the skin. And obviously it follows the professional over sexy rule. Now, this outfit shows how layering can shape your silhouette without hiding it. The vest acts as the anchor piece of the outfit and everything else stays neutral and refined. As you can see, it's really a great example of structured layering done right. Now, this dress is absolutely perfect for medium to high visibility days when you really want something simple, but you also want to look polished. This outfit, it defines the waist subtly, and the fabric, the length, and the belt, it just keeps it professional and keeps it elegant. Now, this next outfit is ideal for executive or very high visibility days. The structured jacket that you can see, it anchors the look and it creates clean lines that balance an hourglass shape. And everything about this outfit signals confidence and professionalism. And now last but certainly not least, we have this outfit. This is a great balance of femininity and structure. The blazer adds polish and it defines the waist, while the skirt keeps it looking soft and professional. It definitely feels intentional without being overdone. So that is all for me today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to comment this emoji if you've learned something new. And check out my other videos on the channel because I have so many more videos on how to dress for your body type. And stay tuned because I have so many more videos coming your way. Bye!